everybody, welcome back to another video for Echoing Magic Travel. Today I am going to give you a trick on how to use your 5 senses on a travel day to decrease the stress and keep that anticipation high. If you've ever been on a trip to the airport is what we're talking about specifically, but any type of travel day, that rush, did I forget anything? How worrisome is this going to be? It can be a great comfort when you are able to just do small things that can decrease that stress down, knowing that you are still ready for your travel day. So I'm going to kind of do a little play on our 5 senses and give you one thing per sense that you can do on a travel day that could significantly decrease that stress for you. So number 1, we're going to go with listen, hearing, our ears. I don't know about you guys, but in the last 2 years, I have gone like podcast crazy. I have so many podcasts that I like to listen to. I always feel behind on my listening, and most of them are self-help or things of that nature. That's not what I'm talking about. If you know you're about to go on a travel day, have a playlist that is built around all the type of music or listening that just brings a smile to your face every time and decreases your anxiety or worry about where you're going or what you're needing. So, like, for example, my husband, he's all about 80s and 90s country when he needs a calm, relaxing playlist. So for him, that's what he would listen to. I love finding new songs every year, even if they're not brand new that year, but songs that are new to me. And I make a playlist that are like 2025 new songs. And I only put songs on there that have made me just burst into a grin. So when I'm traveling, I tend to put one of those playlists on, or maybe like Disney favorites or something like that. Something that is just true to who I am and is gonna make me smile. It's not time to do self-improvement listening while you're trying to get to the airport, especially if you're rushing. So that's the listening, you're hearing. Let's go with taste. And this might seem very strange, but have something literally taste, drink, food, something that when you get to the end of that rush is like a treat that you love, that you enjoy. For me, it is always getting a Starbucks on the other side of security. I have been doing this for years. I get to the security line and I am putting my order in on my Starbucks app so that it is ready on the other side of security for me. And that just lets me know I got through. If I am even cutting it a little close, I know my drink is ready to go and off I go. Maybe you have a favorite snack. I'm a 90s kid, so there are times that I know I don't need a lot of sweets or all those yummy candies that we ate back then, but on a special day you might indulge. So maybe, you know, that's the day that you get a Snickers or a bag of, or a thing of Pringles or something that makes you just happy, that is a treat. So have that to look forward to on the other side of the rush. All right. Feel. When you're traveling, you should not, it's not the day to be worried about what you look like or whatever. I mean, we see so many people on social media that are doing all the cute outfits and the perfectly accessorized. Now, if that is what makes you happy, is having a perfect travel day outfit picked out, and that makes you feel comfortable, then do it. Do it, do it, do it. For me, I absolutely love this one pair. I don't know what I'm going to do when they wear out. I have a pair of black pants that I wear. They are a step above leggings and they're not yoga pants, but they're not dress pants, but they can kind of give that dress pants look. And guys, they are the most comfortable thing I have ever worn on an airplane. So I absolutely wear those. The other thing with feel is you also want to feel confident in how you look. You should be wearing something that makes you feel like yourself. So for me, I didn't put it on today, but I have ear cuffs. And for some reason, as soon as I look in the mirror in the bathroom at the airport and I see that ear cuff, it just screams me. I'm comfortable. It's who I am. And it always brings a smile to my face. All right, so that's for feel. You want to feel comfortable and confident. You don't want to be worrying about trying out a new look on a day when there's a lot of rush and stress. Smell. This one is more for the trip, through the trip to where you're going. So like, let's say we're driving from our house to the airport. Smells can really affect how we feel overall. So I would suggest they have them on Amazon all the time. They have little car air diffusers that have the little sticks in them that you can drop essential oils, or I have a place that I get that has smells that are similar to Disney destinations, and you can drop a few scents in that, put it in your air conditioner vent, and just let the smells kind of calm you down. If you have a specific scent that just, you know, it's kind of your zen, you know, if you have a specific essential oil, that would be a great idea. Maybe the day before, get that all set up so that way when you're driving, you won't even always realize it, and it'll just be calming you down as you're smelling it. The last one is C. Now, this is a little bit more of a practical one. So as far as C, for me, what calms me down is being able to see all of the things I need in one place, ready to go, without having to search through my phone or bring stacks of paper along to make sure I have all the things I need, and I'm not going to be worried that I missed something or forgot something. So utilizing an app or a file on your phone that you can put all of your confirmation numbers, all of your times, everything together into one place to where you're kind of maybe only going between your airline app and that other place is just a great way to drop the stress. For our clients, what we have them use is the app through our itinerary planning. And with that, we can put all of their confirmation documents, copies of their passports, all their packing lists, even if they wanted like personalized to-do lists or something that they could see and make sure they're checking it off mentally, all of that is in one place. The great thing is there's also an offline mode, so you don't have to be hooked up to internet or a signal in order to see what's on the app, which is great. It keeps it all compiled in one place and gives you that knowledge. Everything's checked off the list. You can go into vacation mode and enjoy it. So again, that was 5 senses: listen or hear, taste, feel, smell, see. Make sure that all of those are honoring your personalization of your trip and what matters to you. I would say the bonus tip in this is figure out a way to blend yours with your partner, whoever you're going with on the trip for that romantic trip. Try to make the travel day something fun and enjoyable for both of you by kind of bringing those two interests together into something that's going to help you both enjoy the amazing travel day to your next romantic destination. Real quick though, guys, if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We're going to be bringing you a lot more content specifically for those romantic trips that bring you closer together and make echoing memories that'll last for years to come. May the magic be with you guys. I will see you next time.